Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set full photo for incoming call on your Samsung phone for a contact. So let's get started. Very first thing you're going to do is go to the actual contact app itself. And from here on, you're going to go ahead and find a contact that you like to do this for. So I'm going to go ahead and click a contact like this. And once you click on it, you're going to see edit options here. Now you'll have the option to edit this or click on more. Right, either more or edit, and then you're going to see up here there should be an option that says create profile card. So you're going to tap on that, and once you do that, you're going to allow access to basically photos and videos. So I'm going to allow all, and from here on you can select a photo for that person. So let's say let's go ahead and pick something, maybe this one, right? So select that and hit OK. And now this photo will basically appear when I get a call from this contact. So I'll hit done here, and that's going to be their contact card for incoming calls received from them. And then I'm going to hit save. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.